Hello dear awesome people out there, I'm Chris and I make book related videos on my channel. If you're also fond of books, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I put new video in my channel. It's been so long since I have reviewed a book. Previously I reviewed the book named The Village by the Sea written by Anita Desai. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch. I'll attach the link in the description. So today in this video I'm going to review this book named The Fault in Our Stars written by John Green. So yeah, let's get started without any further ado. If you're a kind of person who don't like spoilers, you just can save this video to watch after reading this book, or I'll just give you the timings on the screen where you just can skip off to avoid spoilers if you still want to watch this video, or you just don't care about spoilers. Make sure you watch entire video. The Fault in Our Stars is a young adult fiction novel written by John Green. It's been one of the bestseller books of New York. It was published on 10th of January in 2012 in United States. This is the first ever book that I read of John Green, as few of my friends were very fond of this book and suggested me to read it. I think many of the youngsters would know very well about this book. The protagonists of this book are a girl named Hazel Grace Lancaster, a 16 years old lung cancer caused person, and a boy named Augustus Waters, a 17-year-old some leg cancer caused patient. They both meet up in a meeting in their cancer support group where their friendship gets into the track. They also have a friend named Isaac. These three people share beautiful friendship entire book. Isaac fought with eye cancer and been removed both of his eyes, hence blind. Actually, Hazel is a kind of girl who is fed up with all the worldly things, whereas Augustus is kind of extrovert and a funny guy who makes others smile. They both keep in touch with sending texts to each other and sharing both their favorite books to each other. Many people ended up reading this book with full of tears in their eyes, but in my case I didn't cry, but I felt somewhat heavy hearted. I felt sad for a whole night and then everything got back to normal. John Green had put this thing where Hazel wants to know what happens to the characters at the end in her favorite book named An Imperial Affliction, which is just like after reading this book we just want to know what happens to Hazel in the end, which is somewhat similar. I feel the harmony had been put very intelligently by John Green. The harmony is there, the connect is there. My favorite part in this book is the Amsterdam part where Hazel and Augustus share beautiful moments with each other. They confess their love towards each other. The experiences of Hazel had written very beautifully. That is my most favorite part in the book. John Green had beautifully shown how different is a cancer patient's perspective of seeing this world and our perspective of seeing this world. And he also showed how differently relationships work in their lives and in our lives. John Green's writing style is so simple yet complex at some points, because you really need to flip over pages in your dictionary, which will be advantage to know new things or new words, but entirely it's awesome. The film adaptation of this book in Hollywood had been made in 2014 with same name, starring Shailena Woodley as Hazel and Ansel Elgort as Augustus Waters. I've recently come to know that the film adaptation of this book in Bollywood had been made with the name Dil Bechara, starring one of my favorites, Sushant Singh Rajput as Manny, and a debutant actress named Sanjana Sanghi as Kizzy. Saif Ali Khan plays the Hindi transformed role of Peter Van Houten, which really sounds exciting. I just can't wait this film to release. It was about to release on 8th of May in this 2020, but had been postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. If you say the book or the film, a book lover like me obviously chooses the book over film. And I've seen this film and I was not that satisfied as I was with the book. So this was my genuine view on The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. Hope you all like this video. If you did, give a big fat thumbs up and comment your opinions of this book through comments. Share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that really means a lot to me.